Vocabulary in context. 1. Urge. Teachers can urge, or coax, students to get involved in helping their community. 2. Minimum. The food collected by students exceeded the minimum, or least, amount needed. 3. Effective. Picking up litter can be effective in keeping parks and beaches clean. It gets results. 4. Deteriorating. Many deteriorating buildings will only get worse if volunteers don't help repair them. 5. Dependent. A literacy group may be dependent on volunteers. It needs them as reading tutors. 6. Violations. If they pollute too much, companies can be fined for violations of clean air laws. 7. Granted. The principal granted or gave these students and teacher permission to hold a car wash. 8. Issue. Providing better care for senior citizens is an issue or concern. You can help in many ways. 9. Ordinance. An ordinance, or city law, can create volunteer community service groups. 10. Exception. With the exception of rainy days, this class works in the school garden every day. Background. Target vocabulary. Town meetings. Have you ever been to a town or city council meeting? If not, many would urge you to go to one. At a minimum, you'll learn a lot about your local government. The representatives to a town meeting are elected, so they're dependent on voters to choose them. These officials have been granted many powers. One issue they can decide is how much to tax people so the town has money. Another task is to vote on each local ordinance, or rule. When violations of town rules occur, town meeting members decide how to punish the rule breakers. Finally, they vote on how to spend the town's money. For example, they may decide to repair a deteriorating town building, or to give a town department more money to make it more effective. Without exception, the decisions made at town meetings affect our lives. Important decisions about your town are made at town meetings. Some towns even televise their town meetings on local channels.